Hello, boys and girls. Today our story is called Splat the Cat. Back to school, Splat. Splat the Cat. Back to school, Splat. Based on the creation of Rob Scotton. Splat's tail wiggled wildly with excitement as he walked to cat school. It was the first day of a new school year, and he could not wait to see his old friends and his teacher, Mrs. Wimpydimple. Splat's tail dragged behind him as he walked home that afternoon. Now he was not excited at all. It was the end of the first day of a new school year, and he already had homework. "What's wrong, Splat?" asked his little sister. "I have to do a show and tell about my summer vacation," Splat said. "That sounds like fun," said his little sister. "But I did so many super things. How can I choose just one thing to show?" Splat said. Over the summer, Splat rode his bike in a very important race. "Can I come too?" asked Splat's little sister. "Little sister's bikes are not fast enough to race," Splat said. But she tagged along anyway. And he went swimming with sharks in the ocean. "Can I come too?" asked Splat's little sister. "Little sisters aren't strong enough to fight off sharks," Splat said. But she tagged along anyway. "Bad Sharky." Splat also played in a big soccer game. "Can I come too?" asked Splat's little sister. "Little sisters aren't big enough to play soccer," Splat said. But she tagged along anyway. Splat went searching for pirate treasure. "Can I come too?" asked Splat's little sister. "Finding treasure is too hard for little sisters," Splat said. But she tagged along anyway. Splat even built a rocket ship to launch him into space. "Can I come too?" asked Splat's little sister. "Not now," Splat said. "I'm counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Uh-oh. I forget what comes next. She tagged along anyway. 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! She said. I had lots of adventures, Splat told Seymour. How can I possibly choose just one thing to show? Seymour shrugged. He didn't have any ideas. Suddenly, Splat thought of something. There was one really important thing he could show. The next day, Splat went to school with his tail wiggling wildly, and Splat was most pleased that his sister tagged along too. The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the story today about Splat and his sister. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.